Hey guys, it's Miss Alexander, and today we're working on Module 6, Lesson 7, Engage New York. We're going to compare and order mixed numbers in various forms. So here's our vocabulary words. If you need to review them, go ahead and stop the video and review them. If not, come along with me. Let's go on a ride. We're going to move to our place value chart. Now, this is what we've been working with: tens, ones, tenths, and hundreds. So we got to pay attention to where the decimal point is and the numbers. So tenths is 0.1 and hundreds is 0.01. So if I have a number right here over 10, it's here. Let's go on to our example. We're going to arrange the following numbers in order from greatest to least using decimal form. Use the greater than symbol between each number. So we have 27 tenths, 2.7 hundredths, 27 hundredths, 2 and 71 over 100, 227 over 100, and then 2.72 hundredths. So right now, I'm going to quick write this out. So we have 27 tenths. So one thing we can do is it's an improper fraction, so we've got to get that as a mixed number so we can turn in decimal. So this is one way we can do it, is add our fractions. Remember the 10 over 10 plus 10 over 10, that gives us 20. That leaves us 7 over 10, which gives us 2 wholes and 7 tenths. And now we're going to take that mixed number and turn it into a fraction. I'm sorry, take that mixed number and turn it decimal. So it'd be 2.7. So that's 1. And now here we have 27 hundredths. I can't take 100 out of 27, so I know it's 0.27. And then this one, again, it has 2 wholes and 71 hundredths. So it goes like that. And then we have 227 over 100. So I have 100, because 200 is bigger than 100. And then I have 27 left over, which gives me 2 and 27 hundredths, which equals 2.27. And then I have them all in decimal form. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at each decimal, and when I get the number I want, I'm going to highlight it to remind me that I've already used it. So I get to arrange the order decimals from greatest to least. So I'm looking at the biggest number to the smallest number. So I have 2.7, and it looks like everything's in hundreds except for this first one. So I'm going to go ahead and put this first one in hundreds, and do that. I just add a 0. So what's my biggest number? It looks like 2.72. 2.72 is our biggest number. So I'm going to quick highlight that to show I've used it. And then it looks like 2.71 is next. I'm going to quick highlight that. 2.71. And then it looks like I get to go to here. 2.70, which is the same as 2.7. And then where do I go? It looks like I go to 2.27. And I'm just highlighting, ladies and gentlemen, to remind me that I've already used it. And then I'm going to go 2.07. And then my last one, 0.27. All I did was use all the numbers and make sure I highlighted them so that we could see which ones I've used. Now I'm going to go ahead and move down to our next thing. It says plot the following points on the number line. So I have 3 decimals and 3 fractions. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn these fractions into decimals. I know 1/10 is 0.1. And then 12 hundredths is 0.12. And then 32 hundredths is 0.32. So now I'm going to take my first decimal and I'm going to do 0.2. So I'm going to come right here, done. And I do 1/10, which is right here. Actually, you guys, I did that wrong. This is 1/10. 0.2 would be right here, 2/10. 0.1, you guys, is right over here. I flipped them. It's okay. I saw this first, and I was plotting this one, but I said 0.2. So we just got to make sure. Now we have 0.33. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the 0.3. See that? And then it has a 3 connected. So I'm going to add it to 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Okay? And we have 12 hundredths. And again, I'm going to start off at the tenths, 1/10, and add 2, 1, 2. And then we have 0.21. So again, I'm going to start at the 0.2, and add 1. And then we have 32 hundredths, which is 0.32. So I'm going to jump down 0.3 and add 2. Hopefully this was understandable. Hopefully you're having fun. And if you're not, smile. It'll be okay. Make it fun. And always remember to smile, giggle, and wiggle. I'll talk to you later. Bye.